Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. The first sentence is I saw him last week. I saw him last week. मैंने उसे पिछले हफ्ते देखा था. Second, he came to me. He came to me. वो मेरे पास आया था. 3. The situation got worse. The situation got worse. हालात संगीन हो गए. 4. He was very oppressor. He was very oppressor. वो बड़ा जालिम था. 5. People have been brutally tortured. People have been brutally tortured. लोगों पर वहशियाना तशद्दुद किया गया. 6. I am damn sure. I am damn sure. मुझे पक्का यकीन है. 7. I get ready while you are eating. I get ready while you are eating. मैं तैयार हो जाता हूँ जब तक आप खाना खा रहे हैं. 8. At least wear a shirt. At least wear a shirt. कमीज़ तो पहन लो. 9. So what I do. So what I do. तो मैं क्या करूँ. The last one is 10. Would you like buttermilk? Would you like buttermilk? क्या आप लस्सी पसंद करेंगे? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.